Unfiltered, suave, stylish, free-spirited, candid, sexy.
I'm Karisma Kapoor. Soak up with me.
Do you care to share your dreams with us?
I solemnly do.
One material thing that you can't live without.
My bathroom fantasy is a big secret.
So which quality according to you can make a man instantly attractive? Who out of the following options could be your dream date? Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt or Will Smith?
This is a really tough one.
So what do you prefer? Kisses or cuddles? Hey Lolo!
Hey, come on in.
Karisma, you look absolutely gorgeous.
Hi. Welcome to my space. So this is my balcony and I really love the breeze. So this is where I start my day. It's one of my favorite spaces where I do my beauty rituals and generally unwind. So this is my bathtub where I love to soak up, and my favorite is having a bubble bath. And this is my shower area.
We move on to our first section called Confessions. Basically, it's about your dream that you will be spilling out to your fans who would love to know about it. So Lolo, do you care to share your dreams with us?
I solemnly do.
So my first question is, describe your dream date.
Well, I'd love to be on the beach, under the stars, and some wonderful conversation.
Who out of the following option could be your dream date? Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt or Will Smith?
This is a really tough one because frankly, I love Will Smith. Like, I'm the biggest fan of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I grew up watching him right down to Men in Black and all his great films. But another soft spot would definitely be Tom Cruise. So you've caught me between both of them, for sure.
So Tom Cruise wins yours certainly. You have to share your secret. An ultimate bathroom fantasy?
Well, my bathroom fantasy is a big secret, is that I love to sing. But I'm really bad at singing, so I really want a bathroom where I can sing really loudly, but no one can hear.
But we all would want to hear that for sure. Alright, if you're granted a wish in your dream, what would that be?
Well, I wish I could travel anywhere and everywhere.
Well, certainly a luxury, Lolo. How would your dream home look like?
Well, I think as you grow older, you evolve, your home taste keeps changing, but one thing is for sure, that it has to be cozy. So now it's time for me to soak up. See you in a bit. I'm back.
Alright, it's time for some bathroom secrets. So soap or body wash?
So,
Hot shower or cold?
hot.
So how much time do you take to shower?
I love long leisurely showers.
Have you ever slept in the bathroom to escape from your children?
Never.
So we move on to our next segment, the beauty rituals.
Let's go.
Lolo, you look gorgeous, ravishing, marvelous. In fact, I'm just short of words. Everybody is waiting for this segment. So let's get a little deeper look into your rituals because we need to know what keeps you glowing and beautiful all the time.
I'm ready.
Okay, makeup or natural beauty?
Definitely natural beauty. Though I like makeup too.
Your favorite shade of lipstick?
Definitely red. I love a bright red lip.
Steam or sauna?
Steam.
What beauty regime do you follow religiously? Everybody wants to know that.
Actually, I always remove my makeup before going to bed. That's very important.
One wellness motto that you live by?
I love drinking green tea and do everything in moderation. That's very important.
One rejuvenation tip that you swear by?
I love foot reflexology. I think it really rejuvenates me.
Charisma, you're simply charismatic. Okay, so let's move on. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So charisma, let's move on to the next segment. So here we go. One material thing that you can't live without.
Definitely my phone.
Two things you won't leave your house without.
Well, my wallet and bright lipstick.
Three things that you have put on a wish list.
I definitely want a new coffee maker, a detox vacation, and maybe direct to film.
That sounds interesting. Okay, so 4 things in your bathroom that will never ever change.
A cleanser, my favorite handmade soap, my shampoo, and my rain shower.
5 beauty products that you can't just live without.
My bright lipstick, like I said, kajal, mascara, hairspray, and blusher.
I'm gonna ask you some really quick rapid fire questions, Lolo. You know the drill. Answer as soon as you can. What do you prefer? Kisses or cuddles?
Cuddles with my baby.
Okay, which quality in a man makes him instantly attractive?
Their humor.
If there was one body part that you could insure, which one would it be?
My heart.
Who's your first celebrity crush?
Ralph Macchio from the Karate Kid. I was crazy about him.
A song that is an instant mood maker for you.
La Isla Bonita by Madonna.
A big no-no on the first date.
Bad breath.
Oh yeah, that definitely is. 3 things a guy should do to sweep you off your feet.
Oh my god. Make me laugh. Feed me really good food. And maybe go dancing.
Alright, Charisma, that was so much fun. Looks like you're all set to get into your glam look. Please don't make us wait anymore.
In a few minutes. See you again.
Suave. Candid. Stylish.
Do you dare to share your secrets with us?
Solemnly do.
Who spends more time getting ready in the shower? You or Kunal?